because it's very black, so it has a real kulafu in the middle. We're gonna make our buko salad. So 6 chicken lechon. Ta-da! It says Happy Fiesta. Happy Fiesta. There's like zero visibility, guys. Hey, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday! Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Happy Fiesta. So it is Fiesta here, or it is a feast here in the countryside. So that's why I'm gonna take you guys with me as we celebrate our Fiesta here. And as you know, because of the pandemic, it's gonna be very different from what we were used to, because there will be no activities and stuff, but that's okay. We will still have to celebrate because it is a culture here that if there is a fiesta, then we are going to celebrate. Say hi, Scarlett. Hi. Okay, so unfortunately it is currently raining and there's like zero visibility, guys. Oh my gosh, I don't think my visitors will be able to come today. We'll see. Anyway, we're gonna be cooking some food today. Mom is having some lechon actually, and Scarlett is here. And now like, subscribe. Like, subscribe,
and goodbye.
And bye. Right, so my dining table is ready, guys. I have here 3 serving plate. Actually, this is supposed to be 4, but we put it in the fridge because we have macaroni salad, so we're gonna put that here as well. And then currently I am cooking some chicken adobo. Look, ta-da! And yes, guys, it is currently raining right now, so hopefully we will have some sunshine in the afternoon. It's still like 9 in the morning, but it's very muddy outside. Alright guys, I am trying to cook the chicken adobo right now. This is gonna be our lunch because we have not cooked anything yet. We're gonna have 6 chicken lechon, and my mom is having 1 roasted pig. Like, there's actually a lot of people here that are doing roasted pig, which is so surprising because there is a pandemic, but it is like a culture here already that you should try to like cook something during the fiesta. So I'm just gonna try to fry the chicken. Ooh, so hot. This is the chicken that I boiled earlier to remove the smell of the meat. I'm just gonna fry it to make it brown. Alright guys, so right now the rain is still going. I am currently trying to get this coconut meat because we're gonna make some buko salad for today. Scarlett is here. She's waiting for this. She want to eat this actually, but I have been telling her to not yet eat it. Let's say hi. Hi, na happy fiesta. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Dili na ba birthday? Happy fiesta man. Happy birthday. Happy Fiesta. Happy birthday. Happy Fiesta. Happy birthday. So right now, I have finished trying to get all of the coconut meat. Now we're gonna make our buko salad. So the first thing is we're gonna put in the this one. This is kaong, palm fruit. Ready? There you go. And then next, we're gonna put in the nata de coco. This is my favorite. Coconut gel and syrup. I didn't know it's coconut gel. It does look very festive, you guys. And then we go ahead and mix all-purpose cream. So we're gonna put 2 all-purpose cream. And then let's go ahead and mix it up first. I think you guys have seen me do this already, like during New Year or Christmas. I'm not quite sure. New Year? New Year, yeah. What did we do on Christmas? Nothing. Okay, that's how it's looking right now. We have a lot of cream actually, but that's good because cream is so good. And then we are going to put the condensed milk. This will make the buko salad sweet. And then mixed. And now they're starting the video. Okay, we're gonna be copyrighted. Oh dear. This is our lechon for today's fiesta. We have 6 actually, so we have 3 here. La 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 la. Hello. La tagak. La tagak.
Luto ni kita na isa.
Dire.
Kaya ka hilaw. Dapat hilaw nga.
Ta-da! Okay, so our lechon is done, guys. That's how it's looking right now. It's making my camera foggy because it's very hot, but as you guys can see, it is well done. Ta-da! This was being prepared by my brother-in-law, actually. So yes. Hello everyone, we are still here. Honestly, there are a lot of people outside the house now because they're doing something that I cannot divulge on YouTube since it is not allowed. I asked them to go somewhere far because it was very loud. Right now my sister is cooking some spaghetti. There you go. And then we have here some dynamite sticks, guys. Look at this. Dynamite sticks. Ta-da! We're gonna try to eat one. This is Tom's favorite, by the way, and he's not here. Is that short? Mmm. So good. Yum. And by the way, guys, I have ordered 2 cakes. So first is this cake over here. Let's open it. Ta-da! It says Happy Fiesta, and it has like decorations here all over it. I ordered this one last night. Good thing that she was able to make it for today's fiesta. And the other one is here, guys. This one's pretty hilarious. This one has a house and kulafu. Kulafu is like the famous drink here in the countryside. And it says Happy Birthday Feliciano. This is Razel's dad. And yes, I'm going to give it to him. This is my birthday gift to him. It has a real kulafu in the middle. That's so hilarious. But yeah. So now we are heading to Razel's house. And yes, there are a lot of people here because it's fiesta. So everyone's like cooking something. They're cooking some lechon and stuff. And today happens to be Razel's father's birthday. There's music in the background. Right, my sister is bringing the cake. The hilarious cake because it's got some kulafu inside. It's very muddy because it's been raining on and off. Look at the people there. That's Razel's dad. He is actually my grandfather.
So, ako hila ka na ron.
He's crying already.
Hilak na dyan. Lapay mo kami. Bigtan mo dyan ka, kulap po ba, no?
Butangan ba
Nagpaila na gyud ni.
Okay. Sa tunga, gunita. Lighter.
Ya ana ay butang din.
So that's the cake that we have, guys. This is a real hula hoop. Okay.
2, 3, go!
Happy birthday! We have not finished singing, but he blew the candle already. Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Wish.
Salamat kaya.
Uy, sa pa yan. Ay, hila.
Nagkikisalamat inyo ba bisag nagambal ko bisag dahil 4 ko nagad. Kaya lagi niya nagkaroon na ako pagmangkon ba.
Okay.
Salamat
1, 2, 3, blue.
God bless you.
Yay!
Good morning. It's the next day now. I was not able to vlog the whole time yesterday because there is a lot of music from each houses, so it's not allowed because of copyright issues. Yeah, but we had so much fun yesterday. I only had 2 visitors that came here, and yeah, it's just a lot of eating, a lot of video, okay? And there's a lot of people, there's a lot of rain as well. It wasn't so ideal because of the rain, but it is what it is. Look at how the weather today. It's very sunny. I just wish that it was like this yesterday. It would have been so much more fun. Anyway, so right now we just finished cleaning the house, and right now we are trying to, me and my sister, we're trying to get some of the soil here. We're putting it in this big pot because I'm gonna try to repot the plants that I have accumulated from the people here. They gave it to me, like my sister gave some, my mom gave some, and my friend gave some as well. So I'm gonna repot it because in the next 2 days I'm gonna do the house tour, and yes, I know some of you guys are excited for that. I am excited myself as well. So yeah, we are currently doing this right now. My sister is trying to dig the soil, and me, I'm trying to like put it in the shovel and like this. Put it here. So this soil is actually really good because it's very black, so it's fat soil, which is good. We have just finished getting all the soil into the pot, and as you guys can hear, there's a really loud music, which is the video, okay? But anyways, that's okay. I'm gonna put a different sound behind this, but these are all of the pots that we were able to gather. We're going to repot all of these plants that we have here. So we have 2, 4, 6, 18, 12 pots. Alright guys, can you see it? Alright, so I have here my chair, which as you guys can see, it has paints on like this. I tried to remove it, but I couldn't, so this is going to be my alternative. So this is the chair cover. I got this for 200 pesos each, I think. That's $4 US. So let's go ahead and try to fit it in. I hope that it will fit in. So it should be like this. Oh my god, it's nice, you guys. Okay, so we need to adjust it as well, like this, and
And then we have to pull it on the front. Yay. Like this. And there you go, guys. Look how it transformed. It's so pretty. So yeah, that's gonna be our chair, guys. Look, it's so nice now. It actually comes with different colors that you guys can choose from. And to be honest, I love how it turned out. Like black, since our dining table is black. And this is black. I felt like I got new chairs. This is a good buy.